Reaction which is take place at highly substituted double bond in the case of metachloroperbenzoic acid. તો એમાં પણ હાઇડ્રોજન બોન્ડ which is play very important role. તો તમારે સ્ટીરિયોકેમિસ્ટ્રી બતાવી હોય so it's a cis type addition. Addition becomes syn addition, or you can say cis addition. So if you have to mention stereochemistry in the epoxidation, then you can have a this type of selectivity is there. Suppose you are having this any group which is there into double bond carbon. Suppose this is a substituted double bond with two methyl group are in a front side. Two methyl group are there in a front side. અહીંયા આપણે front side બતાવવાની જરૂર નથી because it is a double bond. See, this is double bond. So it is a planar geometry. એટલે અહીંયા તો simple line જ આવશે. This is a simple line. Two groups are drawn in a simple line. So see, this is a planar geometry. But when you treat it with metachloroperbenzoic acid in the presence of metachloroperbenzoic acid in the presence of DCM, any reagent you can have a epoxidation in the presence of. Okay, so here what happens in this case? The metachloroperbenzoic acid is there, so definitely reaction take place at which position? Highly substituted double bond or less substituted double bond?
Highly substituted.
Okay, so it is take place at highly substituted double bond. So this one is the highly substituted double bond. So suppose if you write two methyl group in a front side, then epoxide formation take place from opposite side in this way. So you can have a, this is a, one of the product, or you can have a, if two methyl group is written in a back side, so epoxidation is take place on front side in this way. These are the product. Similar the case of, we have see take this case also in hydroxylation. Similar case is observed here. OCH3 suppose is there, which is in a back side. So if you use metachloroperbenzoic acid, અહીં hydrogen bond ની possibility નથી. So here we will get suppose here double bond is there, so it undergoes epoxidation from front side. And suppose you are given the OCH3 group in a front side, so epoxidation may take place in a back side. This way. But what is the case with OH group? Suppose here OH group is there in a front side, then what is the product? Where is epoxidation is take place? It is take place from front side or from the back side?
Back side.
Back side આવશે કે front side? બરાબર વિચારીને કયો. Because that type of example we have already taken. આ ટાઈપના એક્ઝામ્પલ આપણે ઓલરેડી સ્ટડી કરેલ જ છે.
Front side.
ફ્રન્ટ સાઈડ આવશે. વાય? Because front side is
Hydrogen
correct. હાઇડ્રોજન બોન્ડ બને એટલે એટમ્સ જે છે એ સેમ સાઈડ રહેશે. બરોબર, જે હાઇડ્રોજન બોન્ડ ફોર્મ થશે, so atoms remains in a same side. So because of the hydrogen bond, so this is take place in a same side. Attack is made from same side. જ્યારે OCH3 ગ્રુપ આવી જાય તો હાઇડ્રોજન બોન્ડ ના થાય. અહીંયા જે આનો હાઇડ્રોજન એટમ છે, this is form a bond with oxygen atom, and this is only possible when these two remains in a same plane. So this is in a same plane because of OH group makes hydrogen bond with oxygen atom of epoxide. This hydrogen bond is there. Similarly, you can have a OH group is on back side, then definitely epoxidation is take place in back side. OH group is take place, also the epoxide is take place in back side. Here hydrogen is there. But whenever OCH3 is there, then you can have a, always you can have a, there is a no hydrogen bond, so reaction is take place from less bulky side, opposite side. And here see in all this reaction, solvent used over here is DCM, dichloromethane. This is used as a solvent, DCM. Dichloromethane is the solvent. DCM is nothing but dichloromethane, CH2Cl2. This is the solvent. So this is the selectivity with the case of epoxide formation in a different structure. So hydrogen bond is very, very important. Now after this, then next we go for very important class of reaction or important reagent, that is nothing but you can have a SiO2, selenium dioxide. Next reagent is selenium dioxide, very important reagent. Carbon addition we have completed. Now we go for ACO2, selenium dioxide. So what is the application of ACO2? Its application is allylic carbon having at least one hydrogen atom is converted to allylic alcohol. This is first application. Allylic carbon with one hydrogen is converted to allylic alcohol. That means this carbon undergoes oxidation and gives alcohol. H is converted to OH. Second important application is oxidation takes place with E selectivity, transalkene. oxidation take place with E alkene. E selectivity. So you can have a seed possibility is available, then always undergoes formation of E alkene. Third one is, see, it is ultimately types of reaction is hydroxylation because OH group is formed. So hydroxylation rate of reaction reactivity order is, see, CH2 undergoes reaction faster, followed by CH3, and very less reactivity is possible with the tertiary carbon, CH carbon. This is called reactivity order. If two double bonds are available, present, then hydroxylation is take place at electron rich double bond. So it will take place at electron rich double bond if you having two double bond. And fifth one is oxidation inside the ring. Oxidation inside the ring is more useful rather than outside ring. प्रायोरिटी जो रिंग वाળો કાર્બન હોય તો એને આપવાની. Priority is always given at on ring carbon, બંને available હોય allylic carbon ત્યારે. And last one is oxidation take place at more substituted side. Oxidation occur at take place at more substituted side. વધુ substituted carbon હોય ત્યાં oxidation થશે. So these are the important characteristics you can keep in mind whenever you are studying oxidation reaction. Oxidation take place on more substituted site. This is you can keep in mind. Here see two things are observed. If you add ACO2 into this alkene, then the type of reaction may observe two characteristics. It is a end reaction, addition of ACO2 is an end reaction. So it is a addition of FeCO2 is types of in reaction as well as अपन पूछाई गયું नेट में कि which of the following is correct for addition of FeCO2 as well as it's a 2,3 sigmatropic reaction. It is in reaction as well as it is 2,3 sigmatropic reaction. So now we take one example. Oxidation take place. Oxidation take place on more substituted site. Okay, so this is we have keep in mind. Whenever oxidation reaction is take place, so it is take place on more substituted site. So I will take one example in which see you are having CH3. This carbon is connected with double bond. Right. So see in this case, what happens? Reaction take place here because this is allylic one. This is the allylic carbon, so therefore reaction take place on this carbon. So this CH3 group is converted to CH2OH. You are getting alcohol, allylic alcohol. Here only see one allylic carbon is available, so there is no question for selectivity. You can do reaction in any way. But see if you having suppose choice is available. Suppose one CH3 is on left hand side and two CH3 is on right hand side. So which side is more substituted? Which side is more substituted?
Right side.
Right side. So reaction take place on right side. Second characteristic is reaction which gives trans-alkene, E-alkene, E-selectivity. So out of these two methyl group, which will undergo the reaction? Two methyl group is there on right hand side. So out of which one undergoes reaction? Right hand side is correct, but which one undergoes reaction?
Second one.
Second ऊपर जे मैं circle કર્યું છે because this will give you trans product. So this is converted to CH2OH. Reaction take place on in the second one. Rest of the part as it is. So see both the concept are maintained here. One is this one. See reaction take place with E selectivity and also it is take place on and it will gives E alkene is the product. બંને concept match થાય છે. See Now another example which will give you this characteristic. This one. Characteristic number 5. Fifth characteristic is nothing but oxidation which is taking place into ring carbon is more favorable. It is more useful over outside. So we take one example in which it will satisfy this characteristic. So this is the E alkene. Now if you having, see if you can have a CH3, then see this carbon and this carbon both are allylic one inside the ring and CH3 outside the ring. Where is reaction take place? This is outside the ring. This is inside. This is also inside. Next check કરવાનું છે more substituted inside the ring એમાં પણ બધા reoxidation take place at more substituted side. એટલે ઉપરની સાઈડ છે એમાં મિથાઇલ અને આ બંને ગ્રુપ છે. It is more substituted. Here it is less substituted. So this will undergo reaction and it gives here reaction take place and it will give secondary alcohol. Okay, so in this way you can carry out reaction whenever choice is available. If you having so here CH2 is available and CH3 is also available. So first reaction taking place on more substituted side. The reactivity order, if you look at the reactivity order, so CH2 is more reactive than CH3, but reaction is first take place on more substituted side. So this will undergo the reaction and it is also trans group. So reaction not take place at this CH2. This remains as it is, but it is take place over here. It's a CH2OH. CH2OH. If you having CH3, CH2, and on another side CH3 is there. And here it's a CH2, CH3. કઈ બાજુ reaction થશે? Left side કે right side? Where it is take place? Left hand side થશે કે right hand side?
Left hand side.
Left
hand side, because it is more substituted. Now there is two possibilities. See, CH ઉપર થશે કે CH2 ઉપર? Reactivity કોની વધારે છે?
CH2 ની.
CH2 ની. So reaction take place here. So now this is converted to OH.
ટ્રાન્સ જીઓમેટ્રી બને એટલા માટે સર
ટ્રાન્સ નો આવે ને આમાં ક્યાં ટ્રાન્સ જ્યોમેટ્રી છે? રિએક્ટિવિટી જેની વધારે છે. ટ્રાન્સ તો ક્યારે આવે? બે CH2 હોય ત્યારે જોવાનું હોય ને. પેલા હાઈલી સબસ્ટિટ્યુટેડ સાઇટ જોઈએ આપણે. આ બાજુ હાઈલી સબસ્ટિટ્યુટેડ છે, એમાં CH અને CH2 માં રિએક્ટિવિટી કોની વધારે છે? CH2 ની. So here it's OH. ફર્સ્ટ હાઈલી સબસ્ટિટ્યુટેડ સાઇટ જોવાની, then you go for reactivity, અને પછી રિએક્ટિવિટી સરખી હોય તો ટ્રાન્સ જ્યોમેટ્રી જોવાની. અહીંયા બંને મિથાઇલ ગ્રુપ સેમ છે એટલે આપણે ટ્રાન્સ જ્યોમેટ્રી જોઈ. બંને મિથાઇલ ગ્રુપ સેમ છે, so therefore we go for alkane. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now here કઈ બાજુ થશે? લેફ્ટ સાઈડ કે રાઈટ સાઈડ? 3 પોઈન્ટ બતાવી દઉં, A, B અને C. ડબલ બોન્ડ પછીનો કાર્બન ABC કે ભાઈ આ ત્રણે મેં પોઈન્ટ માર્ક કરી દીધા. વેર ઇઝ રિએક્શન ટેક પ્લેસ? ક્યાં થશે બોલો?
A ઉપર, A ઉપર.
A ઉપર થશે, because it is more substituted side. 2 substitution are there. અને બધા જ CH2 છે, so inside the ring CH2 is more important. So it is on A side. Good. So this is called selectivity. One more characteristic that is we have mentioned is CH3. Here also CH3. CH3, CH2O, COO, CH3. If you carry out reaction with SiO2, where it is take place? કયા ડબલ બોન્ડ પર રિએક્શન થશે? So look at here. This characteristic number 4. If 2 double bonds are present, then hydroxylation take place at electron rich double bond. આ બેમાં કયો ડબલ બોન્ડ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન રીચ છે?
ઓક્સિજન સાઈડ વાળો.
ઓક્સિજન ઇન્ડક્ટિવ ઇલેક્ટ્રોનેગેટિવિટી ઓક્સિજન ની વધારે હોય કાર્બન ની?
ઓક્સિજન ની.
સેન્ટરમાં સર
તો એ તો ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ખેંચી લેશે આ રીતે I માઇનસ થી. તો આ ડબલ બોન્ડ કેવી રીતે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન રીચ બને? આ થોડું રેઝોનન્સ થાય છે. રેઝોનન્સ થાય તો આમ ડોનેટ કરી શકે. આ રીતે ડબલ બોન્ડ પછી અહીંયા ઓક્સિજન હોય તો આમ ડોનેટ કરી શકે રેઝોનન્સ દ્વારા. અહીંયા તો આ એક કાર્બન છોડીને છે એટલે રેઝોનન્સ તો થાય નહીં, કોન્જ્યુગેશન તો છે નહીં, તો ઇલેક્ટ્રોન નેગેટિવિટી વધારે છે એટલે પોતાની તરફ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ખેંચી લે. ઇટ મેક્સ ધીસ ડબલ બોન્ડ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ડેફિશિયન્ટ. અને પેલા ડબલ બોન્ડ થી ઓક્સિજન દૂર છે એટલે ઓછી ઇન્ડક્ટિવ ઇફેક્ટ એપ્લાય થાય. અને આમ પણ ધીસ ગ્રુપ ઇઝ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન વિથડ્રોઈંગ અને ઇન્ડક્ટિવ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન વિથડ્રોઈંગ જ છે. ધીસ ડબલ બોન્ડ ઇઝ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ડેફિશિયન્ટ and this double bond is electron rich. So reaction થશે electron rich double bond પર, એક કન્ફર્મ થઈ ગયું. Now you go for trans product. આ બંને CH3 છે, so you can carry out reaction at trans CH3 group. Reaction which is take place on trans group. It gives E alkane. Where is reaction take place? કયા ડબલ બોન્ડ ઉપર રિએક્શન થશે? બોલો કયા ડબલ બોન્ડ ઉપર રિએક્શન થશે? Which double bond undergoes reaction? કયા ડબલ બોન્ડ ની સાઈડ રિએક્શન થશે? નીચે નહીં,
નીચેના
કારણ કે યસ ઇટ ઇઝ હાઈલી
ઉપરવાળો.
સબસ્ટિટ્યુટેડ. ઉપરવાળો કયો? એ તો ક્યાં સબસ્ટિટ્યુશન છે ત્યાં? ઉપરવાળો ક્યાં?
Conjugation થાય ને સર.
એવું ક્યાં આપણે આમાં ક્યાં લખ્યું છે કોન્જુગેશન એવું લખ્યું છે? આપણે શું લખ્યું છે? એલાઇલિક ડબલ બોન્ડ હોય, કાર્બન હોય, ત્યાં ઓક્સિડેશન થાય ને એલાઇલિક કાર્બન કોને કહેવાય? ડબલ બોન્ડ ની બાજુનો કાર્બન. આમાં ક્યાંય કોન્જુગેશન લખ્યું છે?
Okay, sir.
આ ટ્રાન્સ કહેવાય. This is on trans side. So here it is take place. Now SiO2 oxidize active methylene group. Active methylene group into carbonyl carbon. અને active methylene group કોને કહેવાય? તો કે જે મિથિલિન ગ્રુપ કાર્બોનિલ કાર્બનની બાજુમાં હોય. And methyl group. Into carbonyl group. કાર્બોનિલની બાજુમાં જે હોય એને એક્ટિવ મિથિલિન કહેવાય. એક્ટિવ મિથિલિન means group which is present near to carbonyl carbon. This is called active methylene. Or this is called active methyl. So this is converted to, you can say it is converted to carbonyl carbon. SiO2 in the presence of acetic acid 110 degrees Celsius. So methyl group is converted to, methyl group is active methylene. So it is converted to carbonyl. See, this group is CH2 group is there, which is near to carbonyl group. So this is also called active one. CH2, this is active one. So it is oxidized to carbonyl bond. બે કાર્બોનિલ કાર્બનની વચ્ચે હોય it is highly active. So this will undergoes it is converted to carbonyl one. This one is active one. CH2 is more reactive than CH. So therefore reaction is take place here. This is converted to carbonyl group. CH3 CHO is there. So this methyl group is also next to carbonyl carbon and therefore it is converted to CHO. Glyoxal. Here both the side CH2 group is there, so they are very active. So in this case, what happens? It will gives this is the product. Sometimes this hydrogen may also form a bond here and it is converted to enol form, and enol form is stable because of hydrogen bond. This is converted to OH and this oxygen may form hydrogen bond with this one. So see both the side active methylene group is there, then you can get this benefit. Even in pyridine, suppose pyridine having methyl group over here, so this is also active one. So this can also convert it to not only carbon oxygen double bond but carbon nitrogen double bond is there. So this group which is near to carbon nitrogen double bond, so this is also optically this is also active one, and this can convert it to CHO. So these are the various applications of this important reagent. You see, one of the very important questions already asked in CSIR NET exam is this one. આ ટાઈપનો ક્વેશ્ચન્સ ત્યાં પૂછાયેલો હતો. બેન્ઝિલિક એસિડ rearrangement is you are very familiar. It is nothing but reaction take place in the presence of alkaline condition. બેન્ઝિલિક એસિડ rearrangement જે છે ક્વેશ્ચન્સ આ ટાઈપનો હતો નેટ એક્ઝામમાં. What is its product? So basically see benzylic acid rearrangement. That is nothing but diketone when react with base in the presence of base. It may converted to alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. Alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. આનું કન્વર્ઝન OH માં થઈ જાય, ગ્રુપ માઇગ્રેટ થઈને બાજુમાં આવી જાય અને આનું કન્વર્ઝન થઈ જાય COOH માં. This is basically benzylic acid. એટલે આના માટે બેન્ઝિલ અથવા ડાઇકીટોન જોઈએ સ્ટાર્ટિંગ મટીરિયલ. And here see it is given in second step. So first step SiO2 is there, so this is active methylene. So first you can convert this active methylene into carbonyl one. એટલે આ ટાઈપના બે કાર્બોનિલ ગ્રુપ થઈ જશે. The next step is you can have a KOH in the second step. So it will give alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. One of the group gets migrated from this carbon to this one in this way. And this carbonyl is converted to carboxylic acid. So it's a 6-member ring now converted to 5-member. It is alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. So our type of questions already this is asked in the previous year exam. So basically these are the very important reagents that is called oxidation using selenium dioxide. SiO2 very good reagent in oxidation. So step by step we have taken number of reagent. Among them one of is SiO2. Many applications are there, but you can keep in mind this one. This characteristic. Okay, so entire application is based on this slide. You can keep in mind this slide, then you can easily carry out the reaction to write down correct product with correct stereochemistry. This is very important. You can write down the correct product with correct stereochemistry. So this is very important one. Now look at this slide, check this slide, and then trying to solve it. Okay, so up to here, now we can stop here. Now also join the lecture in the tomorrow morning. But I think so morning time, tomorrow we will also going to arrange it at same time in the morning at 7:30. Okay, so thank you very much.